Hi guys, today we're talking about very fast how to turn men's looking vest, not that particular color, but any men's looking vest in a lady look like. And you know, sometimes you just really have to put your vest on and look at it. Even if it's sold to you as a ladies vest, still you have gaps. If you put on your body and look at yourself in mirror, you will have these big gaps right here, because they all made for flat body. None of us is flat. Ladies have a bust. No, well, that's why you do need to alter it, that vest. And by the way, if you like men's style or men's colors, and you just simply cannot find something what you're looking for in a ladies garment, just go ahead. I just showed you that in a video about how shopping at Walmart, which is I'm placing right about my token. And in the end of this video, I will place that one as well. How to always check when you go into stores to buy anything and try it on. Always check men's department. You will be surprised what men's department can offer for you. And well, if you get that men's looking vest, or you just simply got vest but ladies like, but you don't like how it's fit, well, it's very simple to fix it. Hey guys, this is what you do to turn any vest, any man looking vest in a lady like. And well, because it's always gapping right here for ladies, because they make those vests not for flat bust, none of us flats, that's why it does. What you do, you just turn this way and you step away from that side seam. How much? Depend on the size. Because it's such a huge size, I'm losing weight, but I still a big woman. No, well, that's why for me it's 4 inches. For you, you have to try it on. Try inside out your vest, right side inside, and figure up and pin on yourself, and you will know. The same how far to go in direction of the dart. You will figure up on yourself, and what you do, you just make directions, make as much as you need it. Make dart. Again, how deep is the dart? Depend on what you pin on yourself. And just stitch it like that, and you will be done with that. And then I will show you how to finish. Here you are. Now just make sure you stitch it down this dart, what it will be not flapping the inside to bother you. How you do it? Turn your vest on the right side, put this thing up that dart, and pick up thread. Perfect match here, and stitch it this way. That's it. It will not go anywhere. It will stay there. One more annoying problem here. It's every vest have it. Practically everyone, this flapping part right here by zipper. It can flap back and forward when you're wearing that. Does it on the jackets, does on the vest, does on the blouses. How to fix it, I have already video. I'm placing right in the end of this one. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Go on the channel page by clicking that name of the channel right below this video, and scroll down playlist. It says like almost 60 playlist there, and this will give you an idea what channel about. And please subscribe if you're interested. Much more coming, guys.